Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another haul video. So this video is going to be about an app called as Smytten. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Let's go. So let's start with the reviewing of the products, shall we? So I ordered these products on the date 17 September. Okay, I am reading it out because I cannot memorize so many names, the trial points, and yeah. So I'm gonna read it out looking at the list that I've made. So I ordered the products on the 17th of September and I received them on 23rd of September. So let's start. First product that I've ordered was this. Wow, just amazing. This is called Renee. Oh, what the hell is wrong with me? Okay. This is called Renee Stay With Me mini lip color, and the shade is Mad for Maroon. Gonna open it up. This is 1 ml. Quantity is 1 ml and it was for 2 trial points. This is how this pretty looks. Wow. Look at that beauty. And I must tell you that the shade is very much pigmented. I really am in love with the shade. This is how it is. I'm going to swatch it on my hand so you can clearly see how this looks on my skin color. If I'm allowing this to dry for a bit of time, this is going to dry super quickly, first of all. Second thing, it is highly pigmented, as you can see. Third thing is that it is smudge proof. You can just rub it off, it won't go. It is smudge proof, it is long lasting, it is highly pigmented, and it is waterproof. Like seriously, you eat anything, you drink anything, it's not gonna go. It's gonna stay with you, girl. It's gonna stay with you the whole damn day. So this is a perfect option for you if you're going for a party or a whole day where you have no time to do a touch-ups or anything like that. Definitely a must go for. And look at this, so handy. It'll just sit in your purse. So this is what I love the most about this whole kit that I've got, like the whole order. Okay, enough of this. Let's move on to the second product, which I've already eaten. It has gone in my tummy, right? Yeah, me hungry forever. Okay, so this is what I've got. I'm gonna put a video of the product because yeah, I'm smart. I take videos before I eat it. Yeah, so this is called Kitchens of India ki taraf se dal makhani, which I ordered for 2 trial points and it was 285 grams. So this is how the product looks. The packaging was really nice. The outer packaging, inner packaging, the contents, everything was really up to the mark. What I did not like was there was a peculiar taste to the dal makhani. It was really good, and I added ghee and some tadka to make it more flavorful and stuff like that. But that one particular taste which I felt was probably because of the preservatives, as this has a very long shelf life. It is meant to be in that box for like 3 years, so it was pretty much that. Other than that, I felt it was really nice. So the third product, we're going to move ahead to the third product, which is this. This is a perfume from the brand La French. Okay, and it is okay, I need my paper. Yeah, Mood Swing edition, Mood Swing perfume. This was 10 ml. I must say guys that Smytten has somewhat degraded its quality in terms of packaging, because when I received this perfume, this is what I've received. I have not used this yet. Okay, this is how I've received it. This was open, sort of. It was not tightly packed. It was like this, just thoda sa ban kiya tha, and the product just spilled off all over the other stuff. When I opened, it was smelling so nice. I was so happy, like they put some perfume, and then I realized this was the perfume that was smelling all the way from all the products inside this box that I received. So yeah, another thing, in my previous video on the same app, you can see that they have really taken care of sort of wrapping all the products in the bubble wrap or in another paper wrap which really preserve them. But here is what I received. It was just like this. You just put it, dumped inside this and sent it to me. Not even a double tape, just single tape, that's it. So this is what I did not like about them this time, but anyways. So this perfume, this is the perfume La French. It's really nice. It has that you can say थोड़ा सा fruity, I don't know, fruity ही है शायद, something like that. But I don't know if it's gonna stay long. It stayed for long in that though. Maybe it's gonna stay long, but I haven't used it yet. So, but I like the perfume. I like the smell so far. Fragrance so far. Smell, fragrance. Duh. I like the fragrance so far. Okay, so moving on. Why are you peeping? Don't peep. Sorry about that. My products are just peeping. They want to come inside the video. Okay, so this was done. This was the last product that we showed, that we saw. Next is this Secret Temptation Dream perfume. The flavor is Dream, and this has no cap. I don't know if it's just like that because there was no cap inside, no whatsoever, and I even tried the cap from this. It won't fit into this. The fragrance is very, very soft. It's pura flowery fragrance. It's very soft. It's like you move and people are going to realize that there's some fragrance. They're not going to be like, oh my god, it's so strong. It's very soothing. See, right? Okay. See, it's totally smudge proof. कुछ नहीं smudge हो रहा. पूरा smudge proof है. I even tried the whatever that is, तो उसमें भी ये पास हो गया था. Renica lipstick. Okay, moving on. ये really worth this thing. I feel really worth the hype, really worth the brand. Secret Temptation. So this was again for one trial point. This is 10 ml again. I love this product. I'm gonna keep it. Okay. Another thing, I raised a ticket saying that this is what I received. It spilled out. I did not get a quality about this. I did not get the quantity from this, and they did nothing about it. And they instead told me that the ticket is resolved when I did not even get a resolution on it. I do not understand how this app works, but I guess it's okay because I did not pay a lot of amount for all these products. I just paid 205 rupees for all the products. This and the previous ones that I showed. The dal makhani was 130 rupees, by the way. I'm gonna put it in the below on the video because I keep forgetting. I tend to keep forgetting things. Okay, so let's move on to the free gifts now, which was peeping. First one, this is Vanish. I got Vanish wash sachet, 15 rupees ka ek sachet. I've got 2 of them as a free gift from them, which is nice. I like it. Second free gift is this sensitivity relief toothpaste from Ayush. This is only 5 ml, so I don't know how long it's gonna last for me, maybe a day or two, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna see. Okay, the next is skincare essentials. They basically gave me an option to choose from a variety of combos that they made as a gift, and I chose this one. So in this I got 4 things. There's a lip scrub, there's a day lotion, there's a wallet or a pouch or a pouch you could say, more than that, and there's a body scrub. So first is this Anor lip scrub in the shade Berry. This is, I guess, 15 grams. No, it's 5 grams. Yeah, 5 grams. This is how it looks. It just wiggles like this, and it's really it is not very much of a rough consistency for your lips, I can say. See, on my hands it feels really nice, smells really good. I haven't used this on my lips yet. I would love to use it though, but I really like. Oh, it gets crushed like this. Oh, okay, I'm gonna crush it and keep it like this. Enough of me playing these games like an idiot. Be an adult, Abhya. Be an adult. So this was it. Man, this smells really good. So this was the lip scrub, Yummy Berry. I feel like eating it actually. Next is this Sear Secrets का Vitamin C Day Lotion. This is 30 ml. I haven't used this also yet, but I feel it's sealed. Let's open this and see. Oh, okay. Smells weird, but it's soft. It's very soft. Oh, it feels nice. बहुत कम है लेकिन 30 ml. ओह, रुक जा भाई, गिरना नहीं है तेरे को, पहले ही कम है तेरे पास पूरा. It's very soft. I like it. On my hand it's smelling nice. Yeah, it smells like fruits. Yeah, it's berry. Yeah, it smells like fruit on my hand. Maybe I smell good. Let's move on. Okay, I've wasted a lot of time on this. Next is this Smytten leather pouch. I always die for this product because I just love their leather pouches. But this time I'm a bit disappointed because this leather pouch is not that great. It does not have the logo of Smytten nowhere. This zip is also like mediocre. Last time you can see in my previous video, if you've seen this, you can see that the pouch was really structured. The material was really hard. I still use it from the last 2 to 3 years. I still use the pouch. It's really that good, that great. I don't know why I keep looking here instead of here. Here is the camera. I should be looking over here. I'm just interested in seeing my own face in the screen. Okay, so I am not very happy with the pouch, but still they can do better. And the last and my favorite product is this. This is M caffeine. M caffeine बोलते हैं, मैक कैफीन बोलते हैं, मुझे नहीं पता. M caffeine ही रहेगा. M caffeine coffee body scrub. I haven't opened this yet. The bottle is, guys, the bottle is so cute. I don't feel like opening this bottle, but I'm gonna do it in front of you right now. Alright, this is how it looks. Oh, smells like coffee. Like seriously, I wanna drink coffee now. Wow. How do you open this? This is how it looks. I'm gonna use this. शायद मैं नहा लूँ just to use this अभी after this video. You never know. It's nice. So yeah, this is the last product that I got, and I am pretty much happy with the app, with the products. So that was for the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, please use this referral code whenever you install the app and order the products and enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.